ਕੁਝ ਸਮਾਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸ਼ਰਵਣ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib in Rag Jaitsari. Jaitsari Rag is combination of two rags, Rag Jait and Shri. Jaitsari Rag creates the serious mood, very gentle and quiet. The essence of the Shabad helps us to realize the reality, the truth. After realization, we surrender ourselves to our Creator, Vaheguru. What is that reality? Karmi apo apni ke neda ke dur. This is the reality. Because of our karam doesn't necessarily mean an action. Karam also means a thought. If you're thinking evil of someone, bad of someone, that action has been committed. That thought is like a seed in the soil of your mind, which will bring poisonous fruit, very bitter results. So Guru Maharaj reveals, I have committed so many sins. I'm full of jealousy, full of animosity. It happens in the offices, in the families. People are trying to compete with each other. And sometimes people end up doing things which they shouldn't be doing. It's a rat race. A lot of competition. As they say, it's a cutthroat competition. People are ready to cut the throat of other people just to get the promotion or prosper in their life. Guru Maharaj reveals that because of my actions, corrupted mind, I keep on coming and going into different physical bodies. But I have come to realization now. Aaye anak janam prama sharni. After having been through many janam, many lives, I have come to your sharan, your sanctuary. Not many people believe in reincarnation. Lot of faiths, they think after the death, soul is frozen. And on the judgment day, there will be judgment. If you have done good deeds, you remain with God in the heaven, or otherwise you go to hell. But Tantan Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj reveals, look at the animals, look at the trees, look at the rocks. There are so many species. Approximate count is 8.4 million different lives. It is estimated that there are 4.2 millions in the water and 4.2 on the land and in the air. So Guru Maharaj reveals that I've been through all and come to this human life. Vaheguru, I have this wisdom now. Truth has been revealed to me. Udar de andhkoop te lavo apni charni. I can see this whole world is like a pitch dark pit. And means pitch dark, koop means a pit or well. Lavo apni charni, please connect me to your lotus feet. And Vaheguru's lotus feet is Shabad. Vaheguru's hukam. You remain in Vaheguru's will. Because Vaheguru is formless. So if Vaheguru is formless, Vaheguru doesn't have feet. But at the same time, it implies, it's a metaphor, when you touch someone's feet, means you submit yourself. Now when you go to learn any instrument, and you go for education, I'll give you example of me and some other friends, we went to one of the Gyaniji and said, could you teach us Jodi? Before he started teaching, Gyaniji said, could you actually play the Jodi so I know how much you know? So when we started playing the Jodi, he said, now you have this Gyan, you have this skill of doing the Jodi, but before I can teach you, you have to forget that. Because my way is different. What you are doing is not correct. So similarly, when we come to Guru Maharaj, we have to accept that we do not have any wisdom. Guru Maharaj says, all your gyan, all your cleverness, leave it behind and then come to my sanctuary. Then I'll give you the wisdom. So Guru Maharaj gives us that inspiration, that humility. Say to Tan Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, pray to Vaheguru, pray to your Creator, Gyan Dhyan Kich Karam Na Jana. I have no Gyan, no wisdom. I have no Dhyan, I can't focus. Kich Karam Na Jana, I don't know any karam, any action that I should perform to merge with you. Nahen nirmal karni, and my karni, my actions, my thought process is not immaculate, is filthy, is corrupted. So what we should pray then? Sadh sangat ka anchal labho, bikham nadi jai tarni. Vaheguru, attach me to the holy company. Gurmukh Pyare who have knowledge of Guru Granth Sahib's Vani, those holy people who have connected to Vaheguru, those holy people who have desire to be with Vaheguru. Maybe they haven't merged with Vaheguru, but they have desire to merge with Vaheguru. Jis jan ko prabh darsh pyasa, nanak taake bal bal jas. Those who have thirst and pyas to merge with Vaheguru, please bless me with their company. Sadh sangat ke anchal lavo. Anchal means the hem of the robe. Please attach me to the hem of their robe. All those holy people become a nadi jaya tarni, so I can swim across this treacherous, horrible river of this world. What comes in my way is, Maharaj, my Creator Lord, Sukh Sampat Maya Ras Mithe. Comfort of this material is so sweet. People are watching television, spending 6-7 hours, which is 33% of the whole day. 33% of the 24 hours. They're spending in front of the television watching inappropriate programs, which do not help them to progress spiritually, rather creates the corruption. Vaheguru, I understand all these players of Maya, they can become poisonous within a second. And we have seen that, Satsangaji. There was a lecture, within a day, within an instant, he lost his family. Wife walked away. Wife walked away. One day, one moment, he had his wife, he had his family, he had his house. Next moment, had nothing. And Guru Maharaj reveals in the Bani that if you cling so much onto the Maya, you are going to go into depression. So live with the family, live in the material, but remain like a lotus flower. Although you are living in the mud, but you are totally detached. You are flourishing on top of the mud. Don't cling too much onto the material. Khinmay koide hue gaye jitde maya pog. In the Bara Mahabani, Guru Maharaj says, in an instant, these materialistic players will become bitter. Be careful. But if you connect yourself to Vaheguru, The Maya, the material will serve you. You will live in Anand. That's the beauty. Sukh sampat maya ras mithe, e nahi man mein dharni. My Lord, give me the strength so I can keep focus on you. Don't indulge in the Maya. Har darshan tripat nanak das pavat. Har naam rang aparni. Vaheguru, I understand now. The only moment I'm going to be totally content and peaceful is when I have your darshan. Har darshan, tript. Tript means fully content. I need nothing else. Nanak das pavat. But you will have darshan of Vaheguru only if you become the das, the slave, full of humility. Har naam ranga aparni, and I want the jewelry. What is that jewelry? You know, people love jewels, diamonds, diamond ring. People love it. Nowadays, people wear the titanium one, different metals. But Guru Maharaj says, I need nothing. Kappad roop suhavna chhad duniya andar jamna. I have this knowledge and wisdom from Guru. All the kapde, all the jewelry which I'm wearing and people are wearing, it will be left behind in the world. Kappad roop suhavna chhad duniya andar jamna. Manda changa apna ape hi kita pavna. In Asadwar Bani. Guru Maharaj, I want to wear the jewelry, but that jewelry is of your naam, your love. Naam means total obedience of Vaheguru's hukam, and you become like Vaheguru. You have character like Vaheguru. I want to represent you. The Sat Sangat Ji, just to share an example from the Hindu history. There was a king. His name was Dhritarashtra. Although he was king, he was blind. But he was very, very spiritual. So when he did the bhakti, he could find out what he was in his previous lives. And in his previous life, he did not see anything he had done wrong, so that he was blind. He said, what I have done to remain blind in this life? There was a Christian who was more holier. And Krishna said to Dhritarashtra, Dhritarashtra, I'm going to take you to your 101st life, and because of that sinful act, you are blind today. He said, well, what I've done? You picked up a grasshopper which has big eyes, and with a little straw, you popped up the eyes of this grasshopper. And that is why you are blind, because that grasshopper prayed to Vaheguru in agony when you were popping the eyes. Satsangaji, small species like ant, elephants, they also pray to Vaheguru. When you inflict pain on such creatures, Vaheguru listens, and Vaheguru then punishes you. Guru Maharaj describes in Benti Chopai, Chinti te kunchar asthula. Right from the chinti, from the ant, asthula means elephant. All the species, right from the size of an ant to the elephant, they pray to Vaheguru. And sab par kirpa drishtkar phula. Vaheguru showers his mercy on all of them. So if Vaheguru showers mercy on everyone, we represent Vaheguru, we should be merciful. And that is the only way to merge with Vaheguru. Jin prem kiyo, tin hi prapaya. A lot of people say, come on, prem, we love Vaheguru, but I hate my brother. You can't meet Vaheguru like that. You ought to see Vaheguru in your friends, family, and people around you. You need to have that tolerance, acceptance. People are different mentality. You ought to accept people what they are, who they are. And if you are strong enough, you should be able to change them for good. Bring them to Guru's Sharan. Help them to become blissful. So Sat Sangat Ji, Pyar Naal Fateh Sanji Karni Ji. Having done the vichar, may have made a lot of mistakes. Pray that we can dig even deeper into the ocean of wisdom ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, blessed to us by our Gurus. So may Satguru bless you all. ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਫਤਿਹ ਸਾਂਝੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ